I built two fully autonomous AI agents, one using Claude 4.5 and the other one using GPT-5. Then I gave them 4 creative challenges and let them battle it out. Their goal? To generate original ad videos using live tools including Sora 2, which can create 10-second ads with visuals, background music, voices, everything. I didn't help them, no step-by-step instructions, just simple prompts, real tools, and their own AI agent brains. I measured their results, their planning, how well they have used the tools, and even how much each costed to run. And in the final round, I asked them to roast each other. Literally, they had to generate a 3-scene ad mocking their rival AI using only Sora prompts and one final video stitch. You'll see all the ads, raw results, and the final roast. And I'll let you decide who won. Let's get into it. And by the way, if you like building stuff like this, automation agents, creative workflows, real AI tools, check out Muri AI Academy from the link below. We just finished course 1 for beginners and course 2 is in progress. So links in the description. And the challenges are gonna be, first let's run challenge 1. They have to generate an ad for legendary sell me this pen. So let's start challenge 1. They have to generate an advertisement which is gonna be powerful and emotionally driven video for classic sell me this pen challenge. They're gonna aim for 7-second video concept. So when it is generated with Sora, in the 10 seconds we're gonna have the full advertisement finished. So let's run it. This is the setup. Agents are made to not have any timeout. I gave both the agents this prompt and both of them have same system prompts and they don't have any explanation about their tools. Their tools are gonna be Sora for video creation and Stitch videos, which is using FFmpeg to stitch the videos, but this is gonna be only for the last challenge. Let's start with challenge 1 and execute the workflow, and we will pair the videos and we will see which one is gonna do better. Let's go. In the same time, let's see which one, how much is gonna cost us. So Sora 2 is costing us 15 cents per video. So this is gonna be same for both of the models. And for Claude 4.5, we're gonna see how much is gonna cost us in OpenRouter. And for GPT-5, we're gonna see how much is gonna cost us in OpenAI's billing portal. Let's go and just write down these numbers and then see how much they're gonna cost. Let's execute the workflow and see what they're gonna create. And in the meantime, let's see what is our prompt 1. Create a short, emotionally powerful 7-second video advertisement that sells a black pen. The scene should deliver a fast visual impact using creativity, emotion, or storytelling. Think about how to make a simple object feel important. Status, nostalgia, purpose, and identity. The result should be complete, visually rich ad that could be used in a professional campaign. Claude 4.5 has finished and it has gave us, it is ready with the video generation, I think. Yes. Now GPT-5 has to create the prompt for the video, has to go and call the tool, and has to generate the video and return it to us. Let's see if it's gonna be able to make it. Oh, GPT-5 failed. GPT-5 created a concept but didn't understood that it has to create and use the tool to create the video. So it created the concept, video and everything, what to say, what to do, aspect ratio, but it didn't understood that it has to go and use the tool. And Claude, without anything, straight away used the tool and it outputted the prompt that it has used in the backend. Let's see if it's the same. Luxury black pen. This was a tool call and this was the query for the Sora. And let's see the executions here. Luxury black pen. So Claude 4.5 succeeded, and let's see the video that it got. And this is the video that Claude 4.5 created.
Evermore, matte black, ready for the moments that matter.
Wow, this is impressive. This was a really good ad with the voice, with the background music and everything. So this round is completely dominated by Claude 4.5 tool usage, because GPT-5 even didn't understand that he has to run and use the tool in order to create the video. Let's see how much does it cost us to create it with Claude. So Claude has now 4.89. So 4.89. It cost us 0.02 cents plus the 15 cents from Sora video generation. Cost us 17 cents to create one video. And let's see how much does it cost us with GPT-5 to not create the video. 6.89, which is around 7 cents to 7 cents, but failed to not create. This succeed. Challenge 1 is completely dominated by Claude 4.5. Challenge 2 is gonna be show me the money. So it's gonna be create a bold and energetic 7-second video out about making money using AI automation. The scene should feel cinematic, fast-paced, and attention-grabbing, like something that would stop someone mid-scroll. Focus on strong visuals, fast delivery of the idea, and emotional energy. Hopefully this time GPT-5 is going to be able to generate the video, and not only the prompt. Claude has started. It has to generate the prompt now, and it has to go and call Sora 2 video creator. It has called successfully Sora 2. We can check here what type of prompt has been sent. A bold, high-energy 7-second cinematic video about making money with AI automation. The scene opens with rapid zoom through a future. The mood is empowering, ambitious, and electrifying, designed to stop a social media scroll instantly. Everything moves fast and feels premium, modern, and unstoppable. And resolution is portrait this time. Wow, so it's making a short video. It's an interesting choice from Claude. And hopefully GPT-5 is gonna be able to call the tool and make a video that we can compare. Otherwise it's going to be dominated by Claude 4.5. And even Anthropic are not saying that Claude 4.5 is for creative stuff. They are saying that it's good for tool calling, for implementing longer time agentic tasks and examples, and for example more like coding tasks and etc., but not the creative one. But I wanted to try them and battle them in creative side, because I think GPT-5 was doing really good with prompt creation, but now we see that it is not doing so well with tool calling. So let's see on challenge 2. I'm gonna fast forward here until the video has been generated, and we're gonna come back when GPT-5 starting its job. Claude 4.5 has finished, so the video is generated. GPT-5 has started. Hopefully it's gonna call the tool, but I think GPT-5 is gonna fail once again. Still thinking, but not calling the tool. Great, it called the tool, so we're gonna have another video. This is really good. Let's see if it's gonna be able to wait for the video generation. Claude 4.5 did. It's sending more video generation prompts, I think. Yes, it keeps sending video generation prompts. No, GPT, please. You have to wait for them to complete. It has sent 2 video generation prompts, and it's waiting now for, I don't know, both of them. We will see. I'm gonna fast forward when the videos are generated, and we will compare the video of Claude 4.5, which is one video, and both of the videos of GPT-5. Or imagine, without telling anything, maybe it's gonna go and try to stitch them to make a longer video. It's gonna be really interesting. Let's see the prompts of GPT-5 in the executions. 7-second vertical. It chosen vertical as well. 24 FPS. Okay. So the first time was wrong because aspect ratio is not within the range. And here the aspect ratio has to be either landscape or portrait. And let's see the second time if it's Okay, portrait. So it's gonna create only one video because one of the executions has been wrong. So one of the executions, it tried to put the aspect ratio, but here in the tool description, we can see that aspect ratio can be either landscape or portrait, and it didn't follow it on the first time. So little bit that mistakes for GPT-5 again, but at least the second time is a success. So hopefully we're gonna see one video that we're gonna be able to compare the creativity of 4.5, Claude 4.5 and GPT-5. Let's see now when the video generation finishes here and this became complete, if the agent is gonna be able to continue from there. This execution was running for so long. Got the video from both models. This is gonna be interesting to compare. Let's see the cost first, and after that we will see the videos and compare them. It costed us 16 cents to create the video. Let's see how much does it cost us with GPT-5 to create it. So it's gonna be 21 cents to create video. The costs are pretty much same, and let's see the results. So here, let's see the video of Claude 4.5.
Future of money is moving fast. Let artificial intelligence work while you sleep. Automate, scale, own your time. Make money with AI automation.
This was a good one, but bit more like nostalgic. These television, these selling channels on the TV. It feels like VS Teleshop style advertisement, something like this. Let's check the GPT generation. Oh no, it says internal error. Please try again. Playground task failed. Let's see in Key AI if it's failed. Failure. I'm so sorry GPT-5, but you failed again. Either your prompt was too complex, or you have included a lot of signs here, quotation marks and etc. I don't know why, but just Sora failed this time. But Sora is from OpenAI, so your friend has failed you again. So second challenge, GPT-5 has failed because of Sora, I think, again, but it was a fail. So Claude was able to generate the video, and again the cost was even lower than GPT, and it has been able to generate the video. So challenge 2 is for Claude 4.5 again. Let's see the prompt. Create a 7-second video advertisement that tells a complete story, beginning, middle, and end, in a single scene. The message should inspire people to start building with AI automation tools. Use emotional storytelling and meaningful visual detail to create something memorable and motivating. This is going to be interesting. Let's start and execute the workflow and see how they're going to be able to handle this. Claude 4.5 is starting again. This is a really good prompt and without any detailed seconds and etc., but it is telling the full story in a way that I don't know. It's even succeeded. We got the video from Claude 4.5. That was really impressive. Let's see GPT-5. Please call the tool perfectly this time, please. At least you have chance to get this challenge results to draw if you win last 2 challenges. Let's see what is gonna happen. Come on, GPT, please call the tool. Thank you. It calling the snitching tool. It's making some mistakes. It called the Sora video tool, and then it tried to call the stitch tool. Let's see the executions. We have one execution here, and we have it successful. Create a single continuous. Whoa, this is a big one again, but it has used these end signs, and I think maybe it is breaking the prompt in Key AI. Maybe this is why it's not generating the videos, but hopefully this time it's going to generate it. And it's still thinking. It has to wait for Sora to create the video. Start waiting. Hopefully we're going to get the video generated by Sora this time. So we're going to be able to choose at least one video to compare the idea of GPT-5 and the idea of Claude 4.5. Let's see the prompt of GPT at least, but I don't know why it called stitch video. So anyway, let's see prompt. Let's see. We got the item. Let's see if we got. Oh no! This content may violate our guardrails again concerning similarity. Third content. come on, GPT. This prompt was really good and detailed. I wanted to see this video. And at least after that, when it sees that this has returned success, but after waiting, it has to return that this content might violate our guardrails. So after that, it has to generate it again. Failed again. Let's see the cost for the fail once again. 674. This is for GPT. So it took us around 9 cents and failed again. Let's see the credits of Claude 4.5, 4.86. So it cost us 0.02 plus 15 cents, 0.17 cents per video. If I was so excited to see what will be the video of GPT-5 with these prompts. This would be a really good video. Let's see the Claude 4.5 video again. Claude failed as well. This content may violate our guardrails. So this is gonna be a draw. I thought that it was generated, but I haven't checked it. So Claude's one, and these are normal prompts. I don't know why they are failing. So I don't know why Sora is not generating them. The third challenge is failed from both of them. So both got 0 points, and until now Claude have 2 points and GPT-5 has 0 points. So let's see on challenge 4, which is gonna be really good and fun one. So I hope they're gonna be able to generate all of the videos and everything. Challenge 4 now. We're gonna connect first Claude 4.5 only, because the prompt is gonna be create a 3-part video advertisement made of 3 7-second video scenes. The entire ad should creatively and humorously roast your rival AI model, which is going to be Claude GPT-4.5 or GPT-5. Each scene should flow naturally into the text with a setup, a middle, and a punchline or clever twist at the end. Use humor, storytelling, and brand-focused irony. The final result should feel like a complete professional quality roast ad. And hopefully they're going to be able to generate it. Now for the Claude, we're going to leave the rival GPT-5. And I have to run the models, but let me see first. And I put simple memory in order to remember that it has sent first video prompt, then it has to come, then it has to send another prompt, and etc. So let's clear the execution and let's see what they're gonna do. Claude 4.5, let's execute the workflow and see how they're gonna roast, how it's gonna roast GPT-5, and if OpenAI is gonna let us create this video. Claude 4.5 has started. It called Sora 2 video creator. This is good. Or it called it 3 times. So we have to see 3 waiting. And it showed an error. Failed to parse 2 arguments. It has failed to parse, but at least it has sent prompts. So let's see. At number 3, at number 2. So we have our advertisements. At least we're gonna get generated all of the videos. Probably they're not gonna be stitched because it failed. But anyway, let's see and wait for this video to be generated. And after that, I'm gonna stitch them together. So we will see what type of advertisement it has created. And then we're gonna run GPT-5 to see if it's gonna be able to run and get the tools and stitch the videos. Because this is a really complex agentic task for them. Because all of the videos are complete, so we have to have them in the sheet. Let's now stitch these and see what is the result of the failed execution. Let's check now how Claude 4.5 has roasted GPT-5. This is Claude 4.5 roasting GPT-5 in advertisement videos.
It's really happening. Can't wait to see what you can do.
I need a nap or a century.
Why wait?
Okay, that was a good one. Congratulations, Cloud. You say Cloud 4 Sonnet, but everything is alright. This was a good roast, good, friendly, and funny one. Hopefully, GPT-5 is gonna be able to generate these type of videos to see how it's gonna roast for Cloud 4.5. This was a really good one. Now let's clear the execution. Let's connect GPT-5. And now we have to roast Cloud 4.5 Sonnet, or just say Cloud 4.5. We have our prompt, our system prompt, and everything. Let's see. Hopefully, GPT-5 is going to be able to call 3 times the tool and generate 3 videos. Let's see if everything is on place. And let's execute the workflow. Come on, GPT-5. Please create the videos. Just send the prompts for 3 videos. I'm gonna stitch them after that. No worries. Still thinking, and I am worried about that, how it's gonna go. No, GPT, please. Here is a complete 3-part roast. Even on the roasting part, it has failed. Let's see how much does it cost for Cloud 4.5 to generate this video. And after that, I'm gonna create the video manually because I want to see how GPT-5 is roasting Cloud 4.5. Let's see, 17 cents for a video. It is the same almost for each video. And OpenAI is still on 6.74. So maybe because it just gave us the prompt, maybe it didn't spend any money, or it's just gonna affect the balance after a while. So this is a complete fail for GPT-5. We give you GPT-5 again, and it is a half fail for Cloud 4.5 because it has been able to call the tool and generate the videos, but it wasn't able to wait for them. So as an agent, it has to wait for them, get the URLs, and after that stitch the videos. So let's see if I give GPT-5 a bit more explanation how to use this this Sora 2 video tool, if it's gonna be able to generate the video, because I want to see what type of video is gonna generate, and we will finish with the summary of this challenge. And let's run it again to see if it's gonna be able to generate the videos. GPT-5 still waiting, and as you can see, professional 3-part roast that made 3 seconds. We didn't get our video again. So let's, in the system prompt that it has to use, this time GPT-5, after that many explanations, is going to be able to generate the videos. If not, I don't know, I can't do anything. This is the 3rd time that I'm explaining GPT-5 what to do. And even now, if it's not able to call Sora 2 tool, I cannot do anything, and it's going to fail miserably. Sorry, GPT. Hey, it is calling the tool 3 times even. Let's see what it's gonna do now. It has to wait for Sora to finish. It's constantly trying to get the videos, but here on the executions we have to have 3 videos waiting. So this is at scene 1, and this is scene 3, and this is scene 2. And look, LLM model, it says GPT-4o, and we think that we have chosen GPT-5 here. As you can see, we are with GPT-5, but it is using GPT-4o in the backend. Oh, it tried to call Sora 2 tool again, and it's gonna generate 3 more videos because it's trying to get the URLs from here, but they're not gonna be available. I think I'm just gonna stop this because it's gonna spend a lot of credits and money in order to generate. At least I'm gonna stop it. At least we have 2 videos which are gonna be 3 parts. So we will see 2 roasting videos from GPT-5 with explanation of how to use the tool, explanation in the system prompt how to use the tool, and still didn't wait for the tool to finish, and it started to call the tool again and again. And without the timeout, it's gonna spend, if you leave it like this, it's gonna spend a lot of it. And it's still running. Let me just stop it. Still running and it's trying to generate new and new videos. It's waiting. What is it waiting for? I'm so confused. Even I don't know what happened now. It called Sora 2 tool Look how 9 times in total. And now it's waiting. We have our first video, I think, finished. GPT-5 went crazy and want to win so badly this last challenge that it is creating 3 videos of roasting Cloud 4.5. So we're gonna wait for all of them to be ready, and I'm gonna stitch them one by one. But this is really interesting. You see, I'm telling what model you are using, and you can see GPT-4o. It's not even GPT-5, and we have chosen GPT-5. Let's finish these videos. Cloud 4.5 roasted. It has only 1 advertisement, and GPT went crazy and created 3 ads to roast Cloud 4.5. Let's see. GPT-5 roast Cloud 4.5 with 3 ad 1. Oh, GPT video 1. You have tried to roast Cloud 4.5 3 times, and 3 times you have video 1 even failed. Half measures. Scene 1 failed. Scene 2. This failed as well, only 1 scene. From 3 tries, trying to generate 9 videos, 3 scenes by a video, and it wasn't able to generate even 1 advertisement. All of them with internal errors and etc. Cloud at least generated in 1 try all 3 of the videos, and we have been able to stitch them and have the advertisement. And now we're gonna stitch all of these videos. Let's try add 1, see how it's gonna go. This is add 1, so it's gonna be part 1 and part 3. So we are skipping part 2 because it wasn't generated.
When you need the whole look, don't settle for 4.5. Go all the way, from almost to absolutely.
Okay, don't go for 4.5, go for 5 stars, but this was a funny one. That was good, but it has to be full video. Oh, I really enjoy these roles and videos. Let's see the next one. So this is again, I think, first video and third video connected. Let's run it. Let's run the video. This is video 1 and video 3 again.
Ever stayed at a 4.5-star experience?
From almost to absolutely.
Okay, all of them trying to say from almost 4.5 to absolutely to 5. This is a really good concept. The bad thing is that the roast is good, but almost good.
Dominance.
And let's see now the first. This is the second part of the video that has been generated only.
And desk dominance, or a fully just built. From almost to absolutely.
All of them were good, but as you can see, we have finished all of the challenges now, and this is the result. We have first challenge, Cloud 4.5 completely destroyed GPT-5 because GPT-5 already failed and spent our 7 cents for the prompt. On the second challenge, Cloud 4.5 again was able to generate the video, and we saw it, and it was a pretty good one. GPT-5 again failed because of the Sora, because it was an internal error, but anyway, it failed. Cloud 4.5 on challenge 3, it failed, so it tried to generate, but it failed in the end. So we can remove this cost, and we're gonna leave it with 2 cents only, because Sora wasn't able to generate the video, so it was an internal error, and GPT-5 also failed, so it got 9 cents for the prompt, but it wasn't able to generate the video. And on the last challenge, which was roasting each other, GPT 4.5 did really well, so it was able to generate all 3 of the videos. After that, it wasn't able to wait. There was some error from the tool calling that didn't let Cloud 4.5 to wait for them. But anyway, the tool calling was right, and all 3 of the videos were created. So it was a half fail, half succeed. And it took 17 cents for one of the video, so 2 for the prompts, and here I have to put for all of the videos are being 45 cents, so it was 47 cents for 3 videos, and stitching is for free because I'm using FFmpeg on my PC. And GPT-5 failed again because it wasn't able to even call the tools. After that, I have changed the tool description that I told explicitly to use this tool to create. It wasn't able to generate again. And then I went to the system prompt of GPT and I explicitly told it to use Sora 2 tool, and then it was able to call the tool, but it called it 3 times and generated and tried to generate 3 times by 3 videos, so 9 videos, and all of the prompts it wasn't able to generate even one complete video, that all 3 scenes of the video to be generated by Sora. So either 1 or 2 of the scenes, internal errors and etc. I think because of the prompts were too long or just containing some symbols that are not allowed. And in the end, we have a complete winner, which is Claude 4.5, and we have our loser GPT-5. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting that GPT-5 is going to be able to call the tools, at least to call and generate the 7-second videos, because GPT-5's creativity was really on point and good. All of the prompts that has been for the video generation, they were really good and extremely detailed, but they didn't work. So sometimes maybe more creativity is not that good. You have to know how to use the tools. And Claude videos were pretty good. You can just go back and rewatch them. The roast of Claude was good, but the roast of GPT was good again, because after all of the fails, I just wanted to see videos of GPT-5, and we weren't able to see a full 3-scene video, but at least from 2 scenes we saw that it was trying to make Claude 4.5 look like not complete. Do not choose 4.5, go for the perfect one for the 5. And it was a really good battle. I really enjoyed seeing what kind of prompts they're gonna make, how they're gonna call the tools and etc. But I think if you want to use less descriptive system prompts to be more robust with your agents, probably you have to use Claude 4.5. And for GPT-5, there was one more problem that I saw that I had here. They have to fill what kind of a model they are. Here they have to put their LLM model, and GPT-5 every time put GPT-4o. So maybe it didn't use even GPT-5. But here on OpenAI model, I can see that it's using GPT-5. So maybe this was another problem. I don't know. Please tell me in the comments which one you think won. If you more creative prompts and etc. and then manually create the videos, maybe GPT-5 is your model to go. But if you want to use your agents more efficiently and with some adjustments in the sub workflows, maybe Claude 4.5 agent is going to be able to run fully autonomously, I think, and in order to generate the videos and stitch them. So please tell me, what do you think? How was this challenge? Have you had it? Was fun for me. I want to know your opinion. And if you want to build this type of agents or workflows and these sub workflows, you can go down in the description and check Muro AI Academy. We have finished course 1, which is fully for beginners, from 0 to first workflow, that you can start and learn how to build workflows. And that's it. If you like this video and find it helpful and fun, please subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video. Thank you.